Hello students, I hope all are fine. Okay, so let's start today with a new topic, infertility. Let's study in detail about infertility. Okay, this picture is infertility. So the male female infertility reasons and the possible the pregnant, there is a female character and female possibilities for the ovulation, then full detail for this lesson. Infertility can happen to anyone, women and men at any age. In 40% success rate of in vitro fertilization and 30% of infertility case or cases by the man, and 1/8 of all couples in America suffer from infertility, and 12% of the total population suffers from infertility, and 6% of all married women are infertile. So the main problem is the male and female, the sexual characters, then the male and female individual, then the sperm production and overproduction less or high. These reasons are. Then another one, the environmental situation, then heredity. Infertility, inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. So that is the inability of a man to produce sufficient number or and quality of sperm to the woman, or inability of a woman to become pregnant or maintain a pregnancy. So the case of infertility are the tumors formed the pituitary or the reproductive organs, or inherited mutations of genes responsible for biosynthesis of sex hormones, then the malformation of nutrition before adulthood. So the long time stress damage many aspects of health, especially the menstrual cycle, and ingestion of toxins, heavy metal, that is cadmium, and heavy use the alcohol, tobacco, injuries to the gonads, and the aging also causes infertility. What causes infertility in women? So the not ovulating, damaged or blocked fallopian tubes and previous tubal pregnancy, and poor egg quality, and pelvic inflammatory disease and endometriosis, and problems with the uterus. Then other cases of infertility, pelvic inflammatory disease, that is PID, and uterine fibrinoids and endometriosis are the most common cases of infertility in women. And the low body fat, then the swollen veins in scrotum, and the men characters, the tight clothing in men may rise the temperature in the scrotum and affect the sperm production. Underdeveloped ovaries or testes, and female may develop antibodies against her partner's sperm. Then male may develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm. Infertility methods, and IUI, intrauterine insemination. This is a procedure to treat infertile men with a low sperm count. The semen is collected either from the husband or from a healthy donor, and it is introduced into the uterus through the vagina by the gathered after stimulating the ovaries to produce more ova. The sperm swim towards the fallopian tubes and fertilize the egg, and resulting in normal pregnancy. The second one, the IVF, so in vitro fertilization or test tube baby. So this technique is very important. The sperm and egg are allowed to unite outside the body in a laboratory. So one or more fertilized egg may be transferred into woman uterus. So where they many may implant in the uterine and lining and develop. So the excess embryo may be cryopreserved. IVF was used to treat women with blocked. So the damaged or absent fallopian tubes. Today the IVF used to treat many cases of infertility. The basic stuff in IVF treatment cycle or ovarian stimulation. So egg retrieval, fertilization, embryo culture and the embryo transfer. This is important method, and the egg retrieval is done by the minor surgery, the general and the using ultrasound guide after 34 to 37 hours, and the human chorionic gonadotropin injection. So HCG. The eggs are prepared and stripped from the surrounding cells. At the same time, sperm preparation is done using the special media. So after preparing the sperm, the egg are brought together. So the 10,000 or the next level. So the sperms are needed for the each egg. So then the zygote is allowed to divide it into from 8 cell blastomeres and then transferred into uterus for a successful pregnancy. So the transfer of the embryo with more than 8 blastomeres stage. The uterus is called the embryo transfer technique. This method is very important. And the next method is shift. So the IVF first the zygote up to 8 blastomere stage is transferred to the fallopian tube by the laparoscopy. So the zygote continue its natural divisions and the migrate towards the uterus. So gets implanted. Another one intrauterine transfer. So the embryo with more than 8 blastomere are inserted into uterus to complete its further development. In this, eggs are collected from the ovaries and placed with the sperms in one of the fallopian tube. The zygote travels toward the uterus and gets implanted in the inner lining of the uterus. Next, the ICSI method. This is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So this method is only one sperm is injected into the focal point of the egg to fertilize. The sperm is carefully injected into the cytoplasm of the egg. The fertilization occurs 75 to 85%. Eggs are injected with the sperms. So the zygote is allowed to divide it to form 8-celled blastomere and then transfer to the uterus to develop productive pregnancy. This method is ART, Assisted Reproductive Technology. This defined as the technology used to achieve the pregnancy through procedures such as artificial insemination. Important point, artificial insemination, in vitro fertilization and surrogacy. What is ART? The use of medical techniques and such as drug therapy, artificial insemination or in vitro fertilization to enhance fertility. Or another method is ART procedures include fertility treatment in which the both eggs and sperms are handled in the laboratory. So the reason is the sperm or egg, the male and female produces the male produces in sperm and female produces the egg treatment are in the laboratory, both characters. And any procedure where the gamete manipulated or the removed from the body and returned either in the oocyte or as in the embryo. Assisted reproductive technology. So the insemination, sperm collection or sperm donation, and in vitro fertilization, egg retrieval or egg donation, and the another method is surrogacy. So this surrogacy is the method of assisted reproduction or agreement whereby the woman agrees to carry a pregnancy for another person who will become the newborn child parent after birth. So through in vitro fertilization, embryos are created in a lab and are transferred into the surrogate mother uterus. This method is surrogacy. This method is ART. So a large percentage of couples face difficulties in the getting pregnant. So many have found in success with assisted reproductive technology method, and the ART involves in the number of different procedures and help address fertility problems and increases the likelihood and of pregnancy, and only a reproductive biotechnologist and can correctly advise a couple that are aspiring to be parents through art. So this method is very useful in the biotechnology, and the artificial methods are available. So this method is useful for the treating infertility. So art was the initially developed for patients with tubal infertility only. So different colors are used for the important words. So what currently used for almost all kinds of infertility problem is success rate are expected to the higher than and those of conventional treatment. Then however the art treatment also is disadvantages. Many disadvantages are occur in the art method. It involves the greater expensive and the potentially serious complications and the multiple pregnancies, and there are the fears that drugs that induce ovulation may increase the risk of ovarian cancer. ICSI indications. This method is already I said ICSI method. So this is the intracytoplasmic sperm injection method. So this method is only one sperm is injected into the focal point of the egg to fertilize. The sperm is carefully injected into the cytoplasm of the egg. So the ICSI indications for the low sperm concentration, the motility, abnormal morphology, and anti-sperm antibodies, fertilization failure after conventional. This is the IVF, in vitro fertilization. So disorder may be available. Photoscope. The photoscope used to monitor the fetal heart rate and other functions during late pregnancy and labor. The average fetal heart rate is between 120 and 160 beats per minute. An abnormal fetal heart rate is or pattern may mean that the fetus is not getting enough the oxygen, and it indicates other problems. A hand-held Doppler devices is often used during the parental visits is count the fetal heart rate. So during the labor and continuous electronic fetal monitoring is often used. CVS. This method is the chorionic villus sampling. So parental test that involves the taking sample of the placental tissue to test for chromosomal abnormalities. So chromosomal number abnormal, that is the 46 number is sometime abnormal conditions, maybe 47, 48 or 45, then low level or high level, that is the chromosomal abnormalities. Vitamin E is known as anti-sterility vitamin as a help in the normal functioning of reproductive structures. And the sex hormones were discovered by Adolf. And 11th July is observed in World Population Day. Which day? 11th July. Then 1st December is observed as World AIDS Day. And the NACO, National AIDS Control Organization, so was established in 1992. And syphilis and or commonly called as international disease. So once again repeat, reproductive health refers to the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. So providing medical facilities and care to the problems like menstrual irregularities and pregnancy related aspect and medical termination of pregnancy, STI, birth control, infertility, forced natal, and the ICS, different methods and insemination and the artificial methods, and overall improvement in reproductive health has taken place in our country as indicated by reduced maternal and infant mortality rates and assistance to infertile couples, etc. The improved health facilities and better living conditions and promote an explosive growth of population. Such growth and the intense propagations to contraceptive methods and various contraceptive options and the different methods of and the pill is so the inability to conceive to produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. So the various methods are now available in help such couples and the in vitro fertilization, followed by the transfer of embryo into the female genital tract such as method. These methods are useful for the reproductive health and infertility. So the homework, make 50 short question answer.